Hello everyone, myself Manjula Athani, HOD of Computer Engineering Department. Today I want to discuss with practical number 6 of Advanced Java Programming. This practical comes under Unit 2, that is swings. So practical 6, write a program using swing to display scroll pane and J combo box in an J applet with the items. What are the practical significance? The swing components are very useful to design interactive application and it provide rich look and feel to the components. Swing components are lightweight components and platform independent. Swing supplies additional controls such as tab pane, scroll pane, trees and tables. These components are not present in AWT controls. Swings supplies the additional controls such as tab pane, scroll pane, trees and tables. JFrame and JApplets are used to design the Windows and web application. So you can add the controls either in JApplet or JFrame. So what are the relevant program outcomes, that is POs of this practical 6? First is basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, communication. So these are the practical outcomes. Basic knowledge, apply basic knowledge of basic mathematics, science and basic engineering to solve the computer group related problem. Discipline knowledge, apply computer programming knowledge to solve the computer group related problems. Experiments and practice, plan to perform experiments and practices to use the result to solve the computer group related problems. Next practical outcome is engineering tools. Apply relevant computer programming technologies and tools with an understanding of the limitations. Individual and teamwork, function effectively as a leader and a team member in a diverse of multidisciplinary teams. Either you can work as an individual or a team member. Next, last practical program outcome is communicate effectively in oral and written form. You can communicate either orally or written form. Next is competency and practical skills. To develop standalone application using swing components, the practical is expected to develop the following skills. To develop the practicals, first you are to able to implement the J combo box and J scroll pane. Able to write the programs using JApplet or JFrame. The theory part also I have explained that first you have to create the object of the controls, which control you want to create it, and then after creating the control object, add this object either in the JApplet or JFrame. And next is what is the relevant course outcome? Develop programs using GUI framework. GUI framework. Next practical outcomes, write a program using swing to display a scroll pane and J combo box in an JApplet. Relevant effective domain related outcomes, follow precautionary measures, follow naming conventions and follow the ethical practices. Minimum theoretical background, fundamentals to swing in JApplet class which extends applet. JApplet extends from applet. JApplet support various panes such as contain pane, glass pane, root pane. When adding a component to an instance of JApplet, call add method for the contain pane of JApplet object. So I will show in the program. So this is the program, you are supposed to write a program code to generate the following output. It is covered the practical 6. So which are the components? These are two components are there. One is the combo box and other is a label, and it is URIN is a label and this is the combo box. We will see in the practical how we will do it. So this is what the program. I will first run this program. We will see whatever the output. So already we saw the output. See it. This is the combo box and it is a label. So suppose I am clicking on Pune, it is coming you are in Pune, and if you are clicking in this one, this item you are selected, you are in Solapur, whatever which item you are selected, that will be coming here label can. So कैसे अभी program लिखते हैं, we will see that. और one more thing I want to show it. I will run once again. See here. So this is coming. Suppose I am clicking in the previous programs. If you are clicking on this one, multiplication sign, the frame is not closing, only blinking is there. Here in this program, the clicking on this multiplication sign, the frame will be closed. For that we are written the coding here. I will explain. So first we are created the frame. In that frame we are adding the controls. So here frame we are created, frame equals new J frame, and we are created. I have already told that which are the two controls in the output. One is a combo box and other is a label. So you are supposed to create two controls object. Label equal new J label and combo box equals new J combo box. And after that you are adding the items to the combo box. That's why combo box का object क्या है आपका? Combo box dot add item. So whatever the item you are adding, that item should be in the double quotes. And next combo box dot add item Pune, like this you are adding all the 4 names, 4 cities into this combo box. Is it clear? First you have to create the object of the combo box, and after that using this object you are adding the items to that combo box. Once you are added all the items to the combo box, add this combo box to the frame. So combo box का object क्या है? Combo box है. That's why frame dot add combo box. Combo box ऐड करने के बाद आपको क्या करने का? लेबल है आपका, लेबल कंट्रोल है. ये लेबल कंट्रोल को भी हम लोग फ्रेम में ऐड करने का. That's why frame dot add label. Here we are created that action listener for this. Combo box dot add action listener this. So why you are using this one? Suppose I am clicking on this combo box. Again I am showing the output. So here clicking on this, it will be displayed. So here clicking on this one, the action should be happen. So this item should be taken to this label item. That's why we are adding action listener. I will explain in this 3rd chapter. It is coming under the event handling. Since they are shown in the practical, output should become like that. So that's why you are supposed to added this action listener. After that you have to set the size, make set visible. Unless आप set visible नहीं करेगा आपका frame दिखेगा नहीं. So that's why set visible true, and layout you are supposed to set it. And here see there, set default close operation, that is jframe dot exit on close. This statement is used for closing the frame. And next this action listener method is there here, action perform. It is also in the 3rd chapter. I will explain this, and you just see that string data एक वेरिएबल या डेटा यू आर इन, ये आपका स्ट्रिंग है, प्लस आपका क्या आना चाहिए? कॉम्बो बॉक्स डॉट गेट सिलेक्टेड आइटम. जो भी आपने कॉम्बो बॉक्स का आइटम सिलेक्ट करेगा उसको रिट्राइव करके, वो किसके अंदर है? वो रिट्राइव करने का वो कॉम्बो बॉक्स के अंदर का, वो जो आइटम्स को रिट्राइव करेगा एंड वो लेबल में ऐड हो जाएगा. लेबल डॉट सेट डेटा। सेट डेटा वो जो भी डेटा रिट्राइव करेगा, अभी बेंगलुरु रहेगा तो वो बेंगलुरु यू आर इन प्रिंट होएगा, फिर उसके बाद वो लेबल के साथ आपका जो भी रिट्राइव करेगा वो उसके ऐड हो जाएगा। इज इट क्लियर? एंड वन मोर, दैट इज next is develop a program to demonstrate the use of scroll pane in swings. So next program is develop a program to demonstrate the use of JScroll pane in a swings. So scroll pane is a container. We'll first show that output. I want to show this. See, so by in this here 400 buttons I have placed in this scroll pane. So here scroll pane is having vertical scroll bar as well as horizontal scroll bar. Like this you can scroll and see the contents in the panel. Is it clear what is scroll pane? First you know that how the scroll pane is there. So you can scroll it and hidden contents you can see it. So this is what the scroll pane. Now we'll see the program how you are writing. First you are created a what JFrame object you are created, and JFrame you are setting the size of the frame and make that set visible true. And after that in the panel you are created, panel object you are created. So that is JPanel P equals new JPanel. So we are created a panel. For the panel we are created the layout as grid layout. So 20 rows and 20 columns we are created. Is it clear? First we are created a panel, and in that panel we are setting the layout as a grid layout in this 20 rows and 20 columns. For that we are taken this for loops. So for int I equals 0, I is less than 20, I plus plus, and if for inside that one more left for rows and column, I is a row and j is a column. For int j equals 0 and j is less than 20, j plus plus, then you have to add p dot add new button plus b. So button plus b means b initially we are 0 here assigned, and after that plus b means it is auto incrementing. First time 0 and button 1, button 2, button 3, like this 400 buttons are placed. And all these buttons, so where you are placing these buttons are placing where in the panel. So p dot add button object. So once you are adding the buttons into panel, and you are add this panel to the scroll pane. So first you have to add the controls to the panel and add that panel to the scroll pane. So here created the object of the scroll pane, initializes that sc equals new scroll pane panel. P को हम लोग scroll pane पे अंदर add किया. So adding a panel to the scroll pane. Once you are adding a panel to the scroll pane, you have to add the scroll pane to the frame. So अभी आपको क्या करने का, scroll pane को frame के अंदर add करने का. What is the object of the scroll pane? SC. That's why f dot add SC. I think it is clear. Nothing is confusing. So first we are creating the buttons and adding this button. See. So button. So you are created 1, 2, 3 like this buttons are there. So here 20 rows and 20 columns are there. Buttons we are placing. And panel के अंदर place किया, वो panel को scroll pane के अंदर डाला. So then scroll pane को frame में add किया. I think it is clear. So next is, what are the questions here in this practical? State the difference between AWT and swing. So differentiate between AWT and swing, that is AWT stands for Abstract Window Toolkit. Swing is a part of Java Foundation class. AWT components are heavyweight components. Swing components are lightweight components. AWT components are platform dependent. Their look and feel changes according to the OS. Swing components are platform independent, so their look and feel remains constant. EAWT controls are less as compared to swings. Swing supplies the additional controls such as tap pane, scroll. Question number 2, that is, state the features of swing. So what are the features of the swing? Swings are the lightweight components. Swing components are independent of native operating system API, as a swing API controls are rendered mostly using pure Java code instead of underlying operating system calls. Swing components are independent of operating system, native operating system APIs. And swings are rich controls. Swing provides a rich set of advanced control like trees, tap pane, slider and table controls. And swing controls are pluggable, look and feel. Last question, that is, name the method to obtain the contained pane in swing. In Java, swing, the layer that is used to hold the object is called the contained pane. Objects are added to the contained pane layer of the container. The getContainedPane method retrieves the contained pane layer so that you can add the object to it. So in the theory part also I explained that in swing, in applet you are adding the controls to the contained pane. How to retrieve the object of the contained pane? Using getContainedPane method. So practical number 6 is over.